Hello, everybody. Caroline Lee here. I'm really excited to tell you guys there is an awesome new program that is starting on October 1st. And I am highlighting each of the programs. These are loyalty rewards programs where you can pick a targeted health concern that you want to do and you can focus on it for 90 days. So today I'm going to talk a little about the immunity kit and that program. But I do want to talk to you a little bit about these programs that are coming on. So there are 3 kits that are being introduced October 1st that you will have access to add to your LRP templates, your loyalty reward templates, as soon as October 1st comes, and you'll be able to do that. So today I'm going to talk specifically about immunity. So if you are concerned, you want to protect your family, if you want to strengthen their immune system, you want to help their immune system respond quickly and effectively. If this is a concern for you, then the immunity program is probably what you're going to want to add to your program. So again, these are very targeted. doTERRA is going to send you specific products for each one for each month for 90 days, okay? So let's go over the specifics of what you need to know. So each kit is going to be about $75. We're 60 PV. And that will be every single month. So if you have the immunity kit in your cart and you have it for month 2, month 3, and you do the 3 months, every single month it is in your shopping cart. It's going to cost you $75 on there, and you'll get whatever products are in that kit for that month. What's really great about this one is you don't have to go and switch it to kit number 2. It's automatically going to change for you, okay? And you can choose 1 or 2. So, you can do multiple kits if you want to deal with pain relief as well as immunity. You can add both of those to your LRP cart, and you can save it that way and then get all 3 of those. You can have multiple, I think you can have up to 4 of a kit in there. If you wanted 4 of the immunity kits, you can add 4 of them, and then you can go through the 3-month cycle that way. Just whatever you want to do, you can cater to that, but just decide what area of focus you want to focus on and add that to your template, okay? The education is going to come with the product, so I'll show you, there's going to be cards and QR codes that you could scan, and you're going to really know how to use that product that they send you for that month. Really simple and easy. You're going to also be able to add on additional products at a reduced rate. So just like our supplements, where you can custom your supplements, you add the LRP and you can add up to 3 different products at a reduced price. The same thing's going to be with the particular kits. Now they're going to be different per wellness program, the options that you have. But when you pick immunity, you're going to actually be able to choose up to 3 products for an additional 20% off of those products. So it's a great way to be able to get, again, below wholesale. doTERRA does a great job of bundling the products up so you save money below the wholesale price. And now you can get additional products 20% off that list or whatever. So super great. The other thing about these kits that are going to be really exciting is you get to have some limited time offer products. Mini size products that are small, like the mini On Guard mouthwash, just really kind of some cool things, little veggie caps, things that you just normally don't get in those sizes. You're also going to have like freebies, like the On Guard dental floss. Some things that you cannot purchase that you can only get in these exclusive kits. Now, doTERRA is really responsible. They pay attention to their waste and their recycling. They do a lot of earth-friendly things. What you're going to love about this is your first month, you're actually going to get a reusable bag that you can store up all of your oils in, all your products in, and then month 2 and month 3 are actually going to be craft recycled pouches. That way you can recycle those or reuse them however you want. And what's really exciting is doTERRA is actually going to launch some more wellness kits and wellness programs coming in 2021. So hopefully we'll get some more targeted support that way. All right, like I promised, we were gonna go in and look at the immunity wellness kit so that you can decide if this is what you wanna focus on the next 90 days. All right, so this is month 1. And if you are looking to support immunity in your family, which I know I am, right? To try to keep everybody healthy, this is going to be the staple. The hero product in this kit is the On Guard. So you're going to see that every single month, some On Guard products. It's going to allow you to be able to start using a little bit every single month and focusing on that targeted area. So you're going to, in your box, it's going to come in actually a big box this time. It's going to look like this, okay, when you get this first one, because it has that On Guard soap and the pump that are going to be in there, okay? So this is going to be in there, and my tip is I don't fill this all the way up. I fill it about a third way with the solution, and then I fill the rest up with water. But my son did a science experiment with hand soaps, and this was the best one that he had tried by far when he did all of his swabs and everything. So I really love the On Guard hand soap. Really excited for you guys to get this in your kit. Now you do get your reusable bag, and this is so great, you guys. You can put all sorts of things. You can put your oils in there. It's going to be very, very handy to be able to reuse that, you know, for whatever you need, to have it in a nice little case. But what's really cool is this comes off. The back of it's going to tell you all the products that are going to be in there. It's going to tell you kind of just a little bit of information on what's in there. And then this one is your recipe cards. You can actually cut this out and put that on your refrigerator. But it's going to give you directions on how to use all the products in the kit. As well as there's a handy QR code. You just scan that in the app, right? Or use your camera feature, and you can go right in there, and it's going to actually give you some more videos and DIYs and lots of like user-friendly tidbits through that QR code that's on there, okay? So this is going to be super handy. You're going to love that. All right, so in this kit, we're going to have the On Guard toothpaste, and if you've been following me on Instagram, you'll know that this has been reformulated. It's an all-natural whitening toothpaste, but it also is going to help with remineralization of your teeth. And that's really, really important. You know, we lose some of that kind of thing and cavities start forming. This is really going to help support healthy teeth and gums. So this is the travel pack. You can just use these individually. This is for you to try it. You can get it in the order in the big tube for your family once you know that you guys like it. But these are, I usually get 2 or 3 toothpaste little things on my toothpaste applications per one of these. So this allows you to try the toothpaste, see if you guys like it. My family loves it. It's one of those staples that we have in our house. All right, of course, we talked about the Hero Pro product, right? That's in here is the On Guard. So you are going to get a 15 ml of the On Guard. You can start diffusing it. You can start using that topically. It's going to be great. You're also going to get a 15 ml bottle of Purify. Okay, this is going to be great for purifying the air, keeping air clean. I like to diffuse it with your other oil that you're going to get is a 15 ml bottle of Wild Orange. This one smells really yummy together. But I use these in all sorts of things. Like Purify is always in my on my dryer balls. I always put a couple drops of Purify in my drawers, in my dresser. Sometimes there's some things I don't touch for a very long time and they get a little smelly. Or in your linen closet, I got some lava rocks that I just put this on and it kind of neutralizes the smell. You can also put it on a cotton ball and it really is really helpful. But this is great. You're going to want to diffuse that. You can clean with it as well. I mentioned about the hand sanitizer mist. I get one of these every single month with this kit, and no exception. You're going to be using this on shopping carts, on doorknobs, on hands when people come in and out of places. This is a really great cleaner as well. And then your freebie along with this case, this is your freebie. You also get, sorry, my alarm's going off. All right, you also get the cinnamon dental floss. The On Guard dental floss. So you'll really love that as well. So remember, with this month 1, you can add on some additional products. You can see on the screen some of the ones that you can add with the additional savings of 20% off. You can get the On Guard soft gels, the Copaiba soft gels, a Melissa, On Guard beadlet, a turmeric dual cap, and even get the pedal diffuser 20% off. It's amazing. So you can choose up to 3 of those if you want. And you can add that to your LRP template and get the additional discount. All right, this is month 2, so you're going to see the products are a little bit different. You're still going to get the hand sanitizing mist, but this time you're going to get the On Guard beadlets and the On Guard soft gels. You're also going to get the On Guard mouthwash in the little travel size, super cute. I love, who loves mini stuff? I love mini things. So you'll get that. You'll also try a new oils like tea tree oil and grapefruit, which are great for diffusing as well as using topical for lots of issues. And then your freebie is going to be this copper tongue scraper. So I was staying at an event with somebody, and my roommate, that's what she used. She used a tongue scraper after she brushed her teeth. She said that actually helped with her breath and keeping it nice and fresh. And so she used that. So this is going to be a nice one we have. Again, month 2, you can add any of these products and get the additional 20% off of those products. All right, month 3, these are the add-ons, or these are, sorry, this is the month 3 kit. You're going to get 2 of the hand sanitizing mist, because now you're going to have a little freebie, what is this, a holder for it. I already have holders for mine, and I have it on my purse, on my kid's backpack, and it's just so easy and accessible. I don't have to dig in my bag looking for it. I can spray my hands. You're also going to try out the On Guard wipes. Awesome. The On Guard touch. You'll get the veggie caps and the veggie, the soft gels, so you can make your own internal use. You can also, you'll get your Breathe, you'll get a frankincense touch, you'll get the Kids Stronger, which is kind of like the On Guard, but it's just a little bit different. And then I can't read this one, you guys. I'm sorry. I think that is like rosemary. I want to say that that's rosemary, that you're going to get a 5 ml bottle of it. So this is going to be really, really great for you. The month 3. It's super easy. Add this to your kit and you'll be good. So let me see, frequently asked questions about this one. You can save your track. You can switch tracks. Again, the computer is going to remember what track you're on and then move, you know, whenever when you take it off yours, and if you add it 6 months later, it's going to remember which one that you, which kit inside that wellness track that you were on. As well. So you can stop and start it at any time. You can add different things. Let's see, it starts October 1st. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment or reach out on my social media, Nature's Essentials Inc. You can find me on Facebook or Instagram or on this YouTube channel. With that, I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. The Immunity Kit, it's going to be life-changing. So take care, my friends, and we will see you next time.